So in this tutorial we are going to create a Nano transaction on the online computer on the left side, and we're going to sign the transaction using a simulated offline computer on the right side. So to do that we are going to use the off-chain signing tool. I'm going to open account. Let's clear that. Okay, so what we need here is an opening address. I have prepared one here. It has no nano yet. I'm going to send one nano like that using Natrium. Okay, one pending transaction. We're going to copy the address from here, paste that there, and we need one pending hash. So we can copy that one from here. That we could also delete that and use this live network. We fetch data from the network like that. So two ways to do it. And we also need a representative that we could grab from here if there were one, but this account has not been opened yet, so we need to select a representative. We could use this nanoshars.info and just take one from here. Let's take that one. And the amount of nano to receive, that will be this one nano here. Could also open this block and take the amount from here, raw, or we could retrieve it using the same button, and it will use this pending hash and get the amount. Now we got the block hash. This hash we need to sign. I'm going to use this offline machine to do that, and we have this private key saved here that we're going to use. So we are going to copy this block hash over to the other machine. So we're going to use the QR code and the QR webcam reader that we have here. Okay, so we take that QR, copy, paste it in here, block hash, and take the private key and sign the block. We get a signature. We are going to read that back into this. I could use, I could actually save the URL up here to get back the data, or we could just use another tab. Okay, so we have signature, paste that in here. First we are also going to create the proof of work. Okay, we could paste this in, generate and paste it from another machine. We just generate it using the web browser, and we paste in the signature, and we got the Nano JSON block, all info we need. We could copy this, paste that into some Nano node, or we just publish the block using the node. Successfully processed given block hash. Okay, so this is our block hash. We could copy that, double check, block explorer should have a transaction here with the same hash. So that's all for now. In the next guide we are going to send a transaction from this account.